This is the Wolfwise pop-up shower tent, and it's awesome. And it measures approximately 22 by 22 inches. And it also has this carrying handles too. And let's open it, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is to assemble. All you're gonna have to do is unzip it, take it out of the bag, and then you are going to take off this elastic, just like that. And then you just pop it open. So here it goes. Okay, so it just popped open, and then all you have to do is unfold it. So you unfold it like this. And ta-da! That's how simple it was. That's it. That took less than a minute. This spacious tent measures approximately 47 inches by 47 inches by 74 inches tall. Perfect for a taller person. And this is also UPF 30+, which means it's going to block 60% of the sun's harmful rays. This is a multifunction tent, and you can use it to take a shower inside, or to use it as a camping toilet, or even to change your clothes at the beach or at the park too. This is also made of long-lasting, tear-free polyester, so it's going to last you for quite a few years. This is also ultra lightweight. It only weighs approximately 4.3 pounds. Now let me open it up so you can see it inside. It's nice that it has zippers on both the inside and the outside too. And you can even wrap up the windows if you just want it to be open and just sit inside it for sun protection. Perfect! It's great because you can sit inside this for some sun protection. It also has a pocket here so you can put items inside. It also has a zippered window right here that you can use for a shower or just for more ventilation as well. It also has a clothesline so you can hang your clothes while you're changing. How cool is that? Ta-da! How perfect was that? Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to close up. All you have to do is put it back together and then twist. Here we go. Then you fold it. Now, all you have to do is get this top area and fold it inside each other. Just like this. Then you're going to get this elastic rope and put it around. And then you're going to put it back into the bag. Just like that. How easy was that? I was sent this from Wolfwise to evaluate, and I absolutely love it, and I think you will too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.